The
go
last topic
into
for today is PS5 and
the
Xbox.
headliner. Let's move on to the
Yeah,
headlining topic. The PlayStation 5 just got revealed, guys, and
it
I
looks
was
so
like,
nice. I love it.
it looks nice. It looks nice. People who are saying it looks like a router, everything looks like something else.
Yeah,
in this day
exactly.
and age. Take it. Shut up. Okay, shut up.
No, it's not
Shut
funny.
It's not funny. Yeah, so yeah, it looks very, very nice. Like it's better than the renders. Okay, and I cannot believe that none of the renders were accurate. Were any of the renders accurate? No.
Oh no, so what happened is a lot
No.
of leaks were like coming from the developers, and developers they get a very different design and stuff. So it was a really
Yeah.
ugly ऐसा triangular shaped design.
हाँ.
वैसा
Really, I saw.
ये
I saw one. I saw. It was. I saw a square, but a rounded square. Like not standing, sleeping, rounded square, sleeping with curved edges, white, full white. That's all. Yeah.
Ah.
वो नहीं देखा
Ah.
मैंने. I never saw anything with that.
Although the design is ऐसा polarizing
Great.
design, either you love it or you hate it वैसा.
Yeah. It's like that.
Although I love the
first
Xbox
thing-
design too. It is ऐसा cuboidal.
Yeah, it is
I simple.
like how the Xbox looks also.
Yeah.
I really like how it looks. It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Did you see the launch इसका PS5 का?
Yeah, I saw quite a part of it. I was
I
very
hated
excited
the
when they
launch.
announced.
I love launch events, but the lack of humans, and it was just
Yeah.
game trailers for 1 hour. And I know
Yeah.
it's a console, but give me the console, then show me what it can do. And you know, there was this PS का animation coming बीच में, and they were just teasing the console पूरा time
Yeah,
ऐसा,
the
and I'm like
whole-
अब आएगा,
the
and it is
whole-
just Sony written or वो triangle square thingy
The
written, and
starting
I'm,
animation was beautiful actually. The
हाँ.
pulsing thing, it looked so good.
It looked nice, but it's like अभी आएगा, and they couldn't stop teasing it. And I saw a couple of tweets ऐसा कि Sony, we know you know how the PS5 looks and we don't. Just stop teasing it up.
Oh man, dude, honestly, it looks really nice. I was excited. I lost it when they announced Hitman 3.
Oh.
Hitman is one of my favorite game franchises ever. I've played
Oh, I
every
know.
game except for the first one because the first one is very low, like it's not playable by today's
That's okay.
standards. Yeah, it looks bad and the controls are very finicky. It's a very slow moving game. So I just watched videos and I caught up with the story. But the story
Mhm.
of again we talked about game stories in games.
Stories,
the story
yeah.
of Hitman.
Watch that
story of
podcast too.
Hitman is it's so amazing. The whole story is so good. It's one of the best games ever. And then they announced Horizon 2. Now Horizon Zero Dawn. Okay, the Horizon ka first part have you seen?
Oh, I am not much into games, so you're just gonna have to pull me through this one.
Fine. No problem. Sorry. So Horizon Zero Dawn was one of the best games of 2018.
Hmm.
I don't care. It was one of the best games. So I got into gameplay when Carrie started streaming, right? So Carrie started playing Horizon Zero Dawn 2 years back, and then he left it in between, and I was so
Oh.
disappointed. He literally left it in between. I was so disappointed because that
Why
game
would
was
do that?
amazing. It's got amazing graphics, superb gameplay, weapons. It's essentially it's essentially a futuristic look, but you are playing a character that uses bows and arrows.
Oh,
right?
acha.
So as
Like
you
Hawkeye
progress,
kind of
as you
shit.
progress, exactly Hawkeye kind of
Ha.
shit. As you progress through the game, your bow, your bow upgrades, your
Futuristic
arrows
bow and
upgrades.
stuff.
You can
That seems fun.
control animals. So apparently the animals are also like robot animals. So you can
Okay.
control those robot animals. You fight a tank. You fight a robot tank. It's a great game. And Carrie left it in the middle, so I went over to Rad Brad's channel. That's where I discovered the Rad Brad. Okay, he's a great gameplay YouTuber. He uploads just gameplay, and he has
Acha.
10 to 12 million subscribers just because of his.
I've heard his
personality.
name actually. I've watched a
Yeah,
couple of
dude,
his
he's a
videos.
great person to like watch. He just imagine playing games all day and getting paid for it. Oh man, beautiful. It's just beautiful. So yeah, so Horizon 1 is an amazing game. Okay, and they announced Horizon 2, and again the story is continuing in the second part, so I'm really excited for it.
Oh,
Really
it's a
excited for it.
continuous story, acha.
Yeah, the
Oh,
story,
that is
the
nice.
highlight of the entire game is again the story. Story is
Yeah, I
too
love
good.
those games, and I really
It's a
gonna get back
great
into
story.
gaming as a. It's been
You
a
really
while.
should. It's a good time to do that.
Yeah.
Let's see. So yeah, okay. Let's talk about performance and stuff. Sorry,
Uh-huh.
digress a bit.
Before going on to performance, what's the price? Because a lot of people are worrying about, but they haven't revealed
I'm
anything.
estimating it should be under around 30,000 in India at least. Around 30,000.
No, that is so wrong. It's gonna be
क्या बोल
near
रहा है?
50.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
हाँ.
What did the PS4 launch at?
It launched at
40?
30, 40
It
के around.
launched at
But
30
नहीं
ना?
नहीं. So इसका starting price is 599 euros or something, which translates to around 50k.
$500.
599 euros. Sorry,
How much
599.
is that in dollars?
599 euro to dollars.
I'm assuming both of the consoles to be around.
$674. That is.
Oh, I'm
So-
assuming both of them to be around.
So this is nothing
$500.
off. Yeah, I mean a price of 30-40k is good for console, but 50k thoda you're just pushing the limit at this point.
50K
So-
थोड़ा सा होता हो. थोड़ा सा
Right.
होता हो.
But let's see. The pricing isn't announced abhi tak, so these are
This is
speculations.
also
as
very
well.
annoying.
Yeah.
Why do you think they did not launch the prices at like the launch?
Something tells me the PS4, PS5 and Xbox का नया वाला are gonna be priced similar, but it's gonna be ऐसा around 50k के around. So
अरे यार.
and it's gonna be ऐसा बड़ा सा ये कि oh my god why is this costing so much ऐसा. So they are just avoiding
Yeah.
that oh my god for now because everyone is
Yeah.
coronavirus
They
and
want
stuff.
to थोड़ा सा
This-
they want to build.
no
the
one's
hype.
हाँ नहीं build the hype नहीं, no one's getting paid, so 50k is a big amount and yes sir, so they are just
Makes
avoiding
sense.
any bad PR at
Makes
this
sense.
point ऐसा. That is what I think, and both of them are
It
doing
makes
it.
a lot of sense.
Both of them
Makes a lot of
haven't
sense, yeah.
revealed their prices. क्योंकि अगर एक का भी दूसरे से कम होता ना कि ऐसा drastically like ऐसा 5-10k का difference, so they would have just announced it ऐसा. And because दूसरा वाला announce नहीं कर रहा, so they're like okay इससे ज़्यादा ही होगा because they are not announcing it or some. They're just
That's
playing
right.
ऐसा at this point they're just playing ऐसा corporate games ऐसा एक दूसरे के
हाँ,
साथ.
corporate games खेल रहे हैं.
So
It's a ton of, and the thing is, even if it costs 50k, I wouldn't be too surprised because apparently the new consoles, both the consoles can what do you call it? Output 4K footage at 120 frames per second.
that is nice. But
That is
but
absolute
again coming to that
banger.
point, if you play on a TV it doesn't matter again. I have a
You need
4K
to have
TV,
a
it
nice-
just does 30 or something, right? I don't know,
Yeah,
Sony
60,
Bravia ka.
60.
Does it do 60? I don't know if it does 60, my TV.
Bro, all TVs do 60. All screens today are standard 60.
Okay, standard.
उसके नीचे नहीं.
हाँ, okay, the
Sorry.
output from the Tata Sky or something would be 30.
हाँ,
That's why,
minimum.
हाँ.
अच्छा, हाँ, fine. हाँ, that makes sense. That is fine. वो चलेगा.
So I'm really excited
yeah.
for this console. Like I wanna buy a console. I don't know. I don't play on my PC anyway. So it's just that
Same. I
buying
don't go
something
around
that
playing.
expensive, I haven't done gaming in a while. That is because
Same.
games have gotten boring पहले से. मतलब GTA 5, I played GTA 5
Yeah.
and उसके बाद I haven't played ऐसा story वाला game for quite a long time. It's
Yeah.
just Fortnite and yes, a survival games अभी तो.
That's right.
So yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Maybe I don't know. We'll see.
Literally, the PS5 and the Xbox have the same CPU, the same GPU. They are literally the same GPU.
So the only thing
same
different
CPU.
is the company and the games.
Yeah, exactly. The company, the games. Apparently, the Xbox is supposed to, on paper, it performs slightly better than the PS4, PS5. Slightly better on paper. I don't know how that will translate to like the games. It also depends how well the games are optimized.
Yeah.
Whether the games
And
support
PS5 has that
120
new
frames.
SSD, right?
Yeah, it has a new. Both of them have custom SSDs, NVMe.
But that made a real big noise because I watched that Linus Tech Tips video. And
It did.
it will literally change the way games are made because फिलहाल developers have to work with limited RAM ना, so the world
Right.
around them they can only render to few ऐसा I guess
समझा
whatever
मैं.
the distance unit is games के terms में.
समझा मैं.
And so they had to predict कि ये कहाँ जाएगा and then fetch the shaders and textures वगैरह SSD से. But
समझा.
that SSD is so good that they can just
समझा
create the
मैं.
world
In
ऐसे
real
SSD
time.
से लेके हाँ वैसे instead
समझा मैं.
of
That's nice.
saving
That's
it in
good.
cache.
Instead of on
Yeah.
right.
So so it's gonna literally change the way games are made. It's gonna make history.
That's nice.
So
That's I heard a lot about the memory on both the devices. We'll see how that goes. Lots of speculations are being made. For some reason, the memory is like what do you call it? Eating up a lot of attention. What's our attention? दोनों के SSDs.
हाँ, exactly.
But then again, I don't blame them, right? You don't care about the CPU that much. Although it's an 8-core 4 gigabyte very high-end CPU, you don't care. You care more about the graphical performance and the speed of the memory because it affects graphical performance directly. And both are gonna have 16 GBs of RAM, more than enough to run.
These are
any gaming
beefed
device.
up specs ऐसा for even
These are
अभी के
quite
times
beefed
ऐसा.
up. Quite
Yeah.
beefed up stuff. Quite beefed up specs.
These will go for a long time, in my opinion.
Long time, 100%. Also,
And it's-
4K, 120 FPS. I think that's probably
But
the
the
biggest.
major selling point for consoles is you don't have to think about it. It just works ऐसा. Like
Right,
PC में you'll have to think about, oh, will my PC run this and
Right.
yeah.
Right.
But इधर ऐसा everything is optimized for you. Just play the game. So
But
if
then again, you pay for it, right? You pay heavily for it.
you pay.
Every time you buy a game, you pay a lot for it.
Yeah, exactly. They cost like 4 or 5K, right? Each game के लिए.
Easily.
That's
Easily. AAA titles easily 4-5 at launch.
But then
The cheapest I saw, the cheapest I saw a game was my friend buying the 2018 God of War for $2,000.
हाँ.
was very cheap.
Wow.
Very cheap.
Damn.
For
But
PS4.
नहीं. So I guess we call it cheap because we don't know the amount of work that is being put into it. For us, it is
Exactly.
still expensive. I get it. 5K is
Ah.
expensive, but those people have dedicated years to just make that game ऐसा. And
Right.
building a game is a काफी
Very-
big task. It's
Big task.
very
It's a
hard.
Huge task. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. You
And the
won't
gaming
believe-
industry is not that great at treating their
It's
employees.
not.
ऐसा.
It's really not.
It's terrible
Yeah, I
working
saw.
condition
I think
वगैरह
it
में.
was in one of the
Hassan Minaj का ना.
Hassan Minaj
Ah,
episodes. Oh, dude,
yeah.
that episode was so good.
It is so messed up कि Hassan Minaj had to do an episode on it ऐसा.
Exactly. The gaming industry is so messed up. Hassan Minaj did an episode on it. That should be a joke.
हाँ, we should
Oh my
just
God.
make this a template ऐसा. It is so bad कि Hassan Minaj has to make an episode on it.
Exactly.
Oh
Give
god.
me a joke idea. Thanks, buddy. Oh my god. Yeah, so the gaming industry is really messed up. So the fact that you're playing these games which are especially made for this particular console is a big deal. Right?
Yeah.
So PS5, like, there's a new Spider-Man game coming.
Oh, it
No
looks
God of
so
War.
nice.
It looks so.
Oh, and everything in that stream was rendered on the PS5 ऐसा.
On the
And
PS5,
so
yeah.
It looked nice. Some of games are blah, but
that is
some of
because,
them are really nice.
Does so I know that the PS5 has ray tracing. I don't know about the Xbox. That's why it looks so
You know,
good. It has ray tracing.
oh, अच्छा, Xbox recently got caught for something. They pulled a game down because some trailer down because they said it was shot on it was running on an Xbox, but it was actually running on a PC with the 2080 Ti. It's something like that happened. I'm not sure. I'll have to look into it or something, but something like that. And so इधर हर game के पहले and ऐसा हर corner में they had this ऐसा written अच्छे से कि this is being played क्या बोलते हैं in real time on a PS5 ऐसा.
PS5.
So that's nice. Graphics gonna get so much better. I don't know.
That's right.
We might start playing games, man. Like,
Probably.
what do
I
you
don't
do
know.
for?
I think it's gonna.
What do you do for ऐसा leisure time pass करने के लिए? हाँ.
I read. I'm reading reading this right now. It's almost
अच्छा,
over.
oh,
and
so
it's
you
got-
like reading? I like watching movies.
I
ऐसा.
really like reading. I binge a lot of YouTube.
YouTube is more ऐसा workly. मतलब I learn a lot YouTube से. It comes under education ऐसा.
That's
So
nice.
नहीं just ऐसा pure entertainment की you're gaining nothing
Pure
out of it.
entertainment movies or TV shows.
Movies, right?
And that I do very less. I do very less because
Exactly.
like YouTube takes a lot of my entertainment. Like
अच्छा,
काफी
oh.
मेरा casual daily entertainment मेरा YouTube पे ही होता है.
Oh, no, I haven't. YouTube is strictly tech and Logan Paul, I guess.
हाँ.
Huh. तो
इसका
हाँ।
मेरे पास थर्ड बुक नहीं है बाय द वे. इसका थर्ड बुक मेरी फ्रेंड के पास है जो मैंने क्वारंटाइन से पहले लेना भूल गया. सो
Oh.
इसका एंड ऑन अ क्लिफ हैंगर नाउ.
What? You just take
Yeah,
it back
yeah.
from her.
I forgot to, like, she was reading the series before I started,
Haha.
and the third part उसके पास ही रह गया.
Yeesh, that sucks. Anyway, I think it's gonna end it on a cliffhanger. For a long time actually, right? Because the lockdown is getting extended anyway. That sucks. Anyway, I have this thing where I force myself to watch a movie or something as a fun on a Sunday. Just to keep the week
really
as a nice.
That's
So,
nice.
yeah.
I've lost track of today's Sunday, right?
Today's Sunday.
I think I will chill today.
Yeah, I
Nothing
guess.
particular.
It was a crazy week at least for me.
It was a good week. It was a pretty good 2 weeks for me at least. Decent. What else? Yeah, PS5 Xbox coming out. Both have same CPU, same GPU, same price, different games and different controllers, different fan base, different.
Oh, the PS5 controller looks so good. ये
It looks
बताने ही
really
भूल गए. Oh
It's-
god,
it
हमारा
looks
ad
really
था.
good. It looks like it reminds me of us. What are
Spaceship.
It reminds me of Star Wars के कौन है वो? Suit में जो है.
Stormtroopers.
Stormtroopers. They called
हाँ,
Stormtroopers.
हाँ. I don't know. I don't know what's
I
Star
was
Wars. So
most probably it is Stormtroopers, but I got confused. Yeah, Stormtroopers. It reminds me of a white Stormtrooper.
the consoles
Very
look
good.
really good.
Really good.
Xbox the controller has changed or it's the same thing?
Same. It's the same.
Ah, shit. Anyway,
It's the same
The
since day
PS5,
one.
PS5 looks and feel. It's gonna feel nice, sir.
It's gonna
It's like
feel
something
really
for the future, हाँ ऐसा.
That's right. I think it's gonna be a while before I play any game, before I buy any console, because I feel कि if I start playing games, I'm gonna spend all my time playing games.
Oh,
Because
exactly. That is the problem.
that's how
That is
much
why I
I
stopped
really
watching
like
TV
games.
shows because they are
No,
made to
हाँ.
be as a cliffhanger के ending
Binged.
and as a
हाँ.
good starting as such. So you just keep watching them and I'll not work and I keep.
Right. That is my problem with the games. I get really into them.
हाँ,
With
exactly.
TV shows, not as much.
No, I
oh, shit,
get into
what's that
TV
start
shows
playing?
काफी ज़्यादा.
That's nice. That's good.